is dit?
'n wêreld vol nuwe dinge om te ontdek.
Ons is amper daar, Ronne. I was completely mesmerized by Grandfather's wonderful tales. Grandpa loved traversing the world in search of knowledge and adventure. Of course, there was a lot he had written about Trophus, the magical island guarded by dragons and monsters. More alarming is the secret activities by a monstrous being, sometimes referred to as the Evil One, but to avoid confusion, sometimes called Madman Uys by Grandpa. Grandpa never finished his research and writings on Trophus after he fell victim to smear campaigns working hard to discredit him. What secrets does the island hold? Nou weet ek wat ek moet doen. Ek kan nie nou skool toe gaan nie. Kom maar, Jeur, daar's werk wat wag.